Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome back to TTC. Today we're going to see how much the Jag will pull on a dyno standard. Now these are like 271 to 275, so we'll get on a dyno and see what it runs standard power. We're going to get it mapped next week, so let's check this out. Now everyone knows that this car is my dad's, who's here today, and he's very nervous about this because he's heard stories obviously of him blowing up on a dyno, but I'm sure everything will be okay. If it does blow up, great content, eh? Here we are, here she is coming in now. I also want to say that this thing is completely stock as well, so we'll see what it does. So there we go, first run, well second run sorry, 285 and 468 foot-pound. Now actually as I said as well, there's a bit of a dip here, obviously where the turbos change over, you've got twin turbos, so hopefully it should iron it a bit out with the map, so yeah. So on the last run we had 278, but actually did say he didn't have the fan on at the beginning, so it was a bit warmer. Not bad for a granddad car though, right?
Right, so obviously Kenny's just come back from the dyno now, and now I'm back. Hi everyone.
Hi.
You have told me the figure, I honestly can't remember the figures. So what are they standard to?
Right, they're the 271, 275.
Right.
Yeah, a couple of different opinions, or...
As always,
yes. Yeah. It actually dynoed at 285.
And it's completely standard.
It's completely bone standard with like 120,000 miles on the clock.
See, now that makes me a bit, and I would normally question the dyno, but we take all of our cars to TTC.
Yeah.
Your Civic is the best comparison.
Yes, exactly. My Civic dynoed at 279 at TTC, and then I went at BD and dynoed at 282. So you can't say that TTC's is too high.
Yeah, and my S2000 ran 238 to 240, so...
Yeah.
I would say maybe it's just Jag being underestimating their cars and over-engineering them. So
yeah, exactly.
I am well impressed with that.
Even Ashley, you know, he took it for a drive. And,
oh, really?
Yeah, he took it down to Mexico, and he said this part of Mexico he hit.
Yeah.
He usually gets about 110 out of a car after it's been mapped.
Yeah.
He hit 120 in this.
What?
And that, like I said, I was obviously on a private road.
Yes.
But yeah, this is being mapped soon, so...
I was just going to say, stay tuned, because it is being mapped. I'm sure Uncle Phil would be happy with those results, and I'm sure...
Oh, definitely.
So curious to see a map, so stay tuned for that one, guys, and we will take you along with us.
Yes.
But as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We will see you in the next one.
Peace.